Joe, can you pull this tape measure out without looking at it to exactly 6 inches? 6.5. Trying to give yourself an extra ½ inch. It's pretty spot on. Okay. That is bang on. Well done, best one yet. You trying to overcompensate for Superman. There, 7. Very close though, very close, very good.
6.
6. That's spot on.
Is actually?
Well done.
Oh, love.
Just a little short, very close though. Okay, I guess it's my turn now. I'm gonna go with about there. Bang on. Clearly we're all good at measurements, so make sure to get an estimate booked in with us today.